How to remove password on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to remove your password on Windows 11. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, you have to open Windows 11 and on the desktop side, you need to log into the particular account where you want to change your or remove the password on Windows 11. After that, click on the search bar at bottom of the screen and go to Settings application on your device. Once done, select Accounts at the left panel. Once it opens, scroll down. Now click on Sign In options. Here are different kinds of sign in options. You simply need to click on Password. So if you are all set up with your password on Windows 11, to remove it, click on the Change button. And here you have to enter your current password and then click on the Next button. And here you have to leave as it is, that is your new password and current, that is different from the password. And here you have to enter the password hint, that is no password. And once you click in it, you can click on the Next button and then click on Finish button. So once you come in the section here, you can see that you need to add a password. That means we have successfully removed password on Windows 11. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.